Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to H. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now you draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and here is blue color. The alphabets of A. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now to C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And U is red color, red color. D. D for dog, D for dog. The alphabets of D. Kids, now E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And U is yellow color, yellow color. F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. It's neither G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And here is green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.